Hey everyone, today we'll be going over problem 1302, deepest leaves sum. Given the root of a binary tree, return the sum of values of its deepest leaves. So in this example here, we can just look at it right away and see these are the deepest leaves, the 7 and the 8. 7 plus 8 equals 15, and that's the answer. 5 is also a leaf, but it's not a deepest leaf. So we just want everything on the last level. And instantly when we say level, that screams BFS, because BFS is a traversal that's level by level in a tree. So we'd search this one, we'd search this one, we'd search this one, and we'd search this level. So BFS uses a queue when done iteratively, and DFS uses a stack. So we're going to do this iteratively, and we're going to set up our queue right away, and it's going to be of type tree node, and call it queue, and set that up. And we are going to just add the root to the queue originally. The next thing we need is we need a result variable, and we're going to return that at the end. Now, going through some things here. As I said, we needed the queue for BFS. We add the root because that's going to be our first node we want to search. Now it says the number of nodes in the tree is in the range 1 to 10 to the 4. So we know there's at least one node, one valid node. So we can offer root. It's not going to be null, and we'll be fine. So what we want to do here is we want to go through the queue as so long as there are nodes to search in the queue. So basically, is the size is it not empty? And we want to also get the current size of the queue. Now, before we continue any further, what we're trying to do is we're trying to iterate level by level, and we want to get the sum of just the last level. Now, basically, we don't want to sum every single level, and we don't know what the deepest level is. So what we're going to do is each time we come across a new level, we're just going to reset our res sum to 0. So we're going to assume this is a new level, so we're going to go res equals 0. So basically, when we get to that last level, we're going to take that sum because there will be no more levels to search. So that's kind of what we're going for. And we have the size, so we want to get all the nodes on this level. So how to do that is we're just going to iterate size times, and we are going to pull or pop, whatever you want to say, what is at the front of the queue. So we're going to say cur, or rather tree node cur for current node, is equal to queue.pull. Now this will get the one that's at the top of the queue, and we want to, well, because we want to keep searching, we want to not only add the sum to the current sum, but we want to add its children if it has any. So basically, if cur.left is not equal to null, we want to offer cur.left. So we want to add the children, and we're going to just copy that down and then add right. And then in between here, we want to add to res the current val. So what's going on here? So now this is going to work, but I want to explain what's happening. So as I said, we are going till the queue is empty. We're getting the current size, so this will be the current level. So at this one, it would be 1. We're going through the size, so all nodes on this level. We are getting the current node, we're adding to res, and then we're getting its children. So if we go to the next level here, the 2 and the 3, it'll be of size 2. So we'll go 2 times. We'll pull the 2 and the 3, and then we'll add 2 and 3's children for the next level. So that's kind of why you do all this, and this is going to get us exactly what we want. So let's go ahead and run this. And we see we have 15. Let's go ahead and submit this. And there we go. There we have it. So this is an iterative BFS solution for deepest leaves sum on Leetcode. So I hope this helped out. I hope this was straightforward. I appreciate you all watching, and thank you.